Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best wireless doorbell is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked smart home devices, offering peace of mind and convenience by ensuring you never miss a visitor, delivery, or unexpected arrival, all without the hassle of complex wiring or installation, making it a perfect addition to any modern household seeking enhanced security and seamless communication. Number 5. SadoTech Wireless Doorbells. Introducing the SadoTech Wireless Doorbell, your reliable solution for home security and convenience. This kit includes everything you need for a simple DIY installation, ensuring you're connected in no time. Setting up is a breeze, and you can personalize your experience with over 50 distinct chime sounds. With 4 adjustable volume levels, it's perfect for any situation, from quiet nap times to lively gatherings. Experience unparalleled freedom with its impressive 1,000-foot range, powered by our patented technology. No Wi-Fi or Bluetooth needed, it ensures a stable connection throughout large homes, apartments, and even offices. This doorbell is more than just a ringer, it's smart. It remembers your settings and features sleek LED lights for easy visibility at night. Plus, it's built to withstand the elements, operating reliably in extreme temperatures. Its versatility makes it ideal for a wide range of applications. From securing your home's entrances to aiding classroom management, it offers a practical solution for various environments. Designed to endure, this doorbell is weatherproof and operates flawlessly in temperatures ranging from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. You can count on its performance in any weather condition. What we like. This doorbell offers an impressive 1,000-foot range, perfect for large homes or busy offices. It also features 52 chimes and an LED flash for visual alerts. If you need a reliable and versatile doorbell that can cover a large area and provide multiple alert options, this is a great choice. What people say. Customer service response to sync the button and chime. 1. Reset the plug-in receiver. 2. Pairing and assigning changing ringtones. The installation was easy and quick, with screws and a double stock adhesive, so I had different ways to mount it. The volume is great, I can hear it clearly, with no issues. And there are a lot of chimes to choose from. Number 4. TECKNET Wireless Doorbell. Tired of complicated installations? This doorbell seamlessly plugs into your wall socket, leaving your other outlets free for use. It's designed for ultimate convenience. Say goodbye to battery replacements. Our innovative design uses a microgenerator to power the doorbell, ensuring a reliable signal without any hassle. It's always ready when you are. With 60 unique ringtones and adjustable volume from 0 to 110 dB, you can customize your alert to perfectly fit any situation. Plus, a visual LED alert is included for the hearing impaired. Don't let weather stop you. This doorbell features an IP66 waterproof transmitter, built to endure extreme conditions and provide dependable performance all year round. Enjoy an impressive wireless range of up to 1,300 feet. This ensures you'll hear the doorbell no matter where you are in your home, even across multiple floors. We stand by our product's quality. Enjoy peace of mind with our comprehensive warranty, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or concerns. What we like. With an exceptional 1,300-foot range and IP66 waterproof rating, this doorbell is built to withstand the elements. Its self-powered transmitter means no batteries to replace. If you're looking for a durable, long-range doorbell that requires minimal maintenance and can handle harsh weather, this is the one for you. What people say. The doorbell chime has a sleek and modern design that complements any home decor. Installation was a breeze, taking less than 5 minutes with no tools required. The sound quality is excellent, with a variety of pleasant chimes to choose from. Number 3. GE Wireless Doorbell Kit 19297. This all-in-one kit includes a battery-operated receiver with a 150-foot range, 2 push buttons with batteries, and all necessary mounting hardware. It's ready to go right out of the box. Personalize your alert with 4 volume options and 8 distinct melodies. Choose from classic chimes like Ding Dong to fun tunes like Fanfare or Good Vibes. Setting up is a breeze. The indoor receiver needs 3C batteries, and the push buttons come prepared. Mounting instructions are included for a hassle-free experience. You can pair up to 4 additional push buttons to the receiver. Assign a unique melody to each button, so you'll always know which door your visitor is at. With its subtle styling and classic appeal, this doorbell is perfect for any living or working space. It's an ideal addition to homes, apartments, dorm rooms, and businesses. What we like. This kit comes with 2 push buttons and a 150-foot range, ideal for multi-door entries or larger apartments. You can even expand it with up to 4 buttons. If you need a simple, expandable doorbell system for a home with multiple entry points or want the flexibility to add more buttons later, this is a practical solution. What people say. Easy to install, works well and has ringtone options. Works great for replacing old doorbell. Easy to install. Very loud and good range. Good if you have hearing issue. Our wired doorbell stopped working, so this unit was a very easy fix. Very easy to set up, and in our 3-story townhouse, I can hear it in the bedroom and we can hear it in the basement. The receiver unit is in the lounge and set to volume 3 of 4. 2 different chimes to choose. We are very pleased with this purchase. Number 2. Wireless Doorbell 1000-foot range. Introducing a wireless doorbell with a sleek, modern design. It's lightweight, sensitive, and features illuminated alerts to ensure you never miss a visitor. Enjoy an impressive operating range of up to 1,000 feet in open areas. This provides a reliable signal, ensuring you hear the chime and can answer the door promptly. Customize your alert with 52 distinct ringtones and 5 adjustable volume levels. You can even set it to silent mode, offering flexibility for any situation. Setting up is a breeze, requiring no batteries or plug-in for the receiver. The transmitter installs in minutes, and the receiver can be placed using stickers or screws. This versatile device can be used for more than just your front door. Consider using it as a training assistant for your pets, like dogs or cats. What we like. This doorbell boasts a 1,000-foot range and offers 52 ringtones with adjustable volume, including a mute mode with LED flashing. It can even be used as a training assistant for pets. If you need a long-range doorbell with customizable alerts, including a silent option, and appreciate its multifunctional potential, this is a smart pick. What people say. With its 1,000-foot range, it works perfectly even in larger spaces, and the sound is loud enough to hear clearly without being overwhelming. I really appreciate the 5 volume levels and mute mode, which make it easy to adjust for different situations. It took roughly all of 5 minutes to have the doorbell up and running after taking it out of the box. The tone wasn't tinny or irritating at all, much to my relief. The doorbell is working great. Its chimes are always pleasant to the ear. It's also easy to hear from any part of the apartment. The design of the doorbell and button part are nice and sleek looking and aesthetically pleasing. This works great and is very easy to install. You can either stick it by the door or screw it in. The volume on the doorbell can be adjusted. You also have a choice of a large variety of ringtones. Number 1. AIDA Lighted Wireless Doorbell. Introducing the AIDA Lighted Wireless Doorbell, designed to keep you connected. With an impressive 1,000-foot range, you'll always know when someone's at your door, no matter where you are in your home. Don't let the weather stop you. This doorbell is built to withstand rain, snow, and extreme temperatures, ensuring reliable performance year-round thanks to its IP55 waterproof rating. Choose from 58 unique chimes and adjust the volume to your preference, with 5 levels to suit everyone, including seniors. Plus, a mute mode with an LED flash ensures you won't miss a visitor, even when the baby is sleeping. Installation is a breeze, no wiring needed. Just plug in a receiver and attach the button. It even remembers your last settings, so your personalized doorbell experience is always ready. Certified for quality and safety, this doorbell comes with a 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support. Enjoy peace of mind with a product you can trust. What we like. Featuring a 1,000-foot range and IP55 waterproof button, this doorbell is designed for reliability in various conditions. Its smart memory function retains your settings even after a power outage. If you prioritize long-range performance, weather resistance, and a doorbell that remembers your preferences, this option offers great convenience. What people say. Everything I needed was included. The push buttons had tabs so the batteries were protected and fresh. A hard tug removes the tabs without opening anything. It included screw and anchors but also adhesive custom fit pads. It has been paired. I did the same for the second button, choosing a different tone so we can differentiate front versus back. I love that with a 1000-foot wireless reach, you can easily find a convenient outlet for the chime box. This unit was easy to install, has a variety of sound options and the volume is adjustable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.